Welcome to our comparison of two high-performance graphics cards. The PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti. Both cards are designed for gamers and content creators looking for top-tier performance. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and unique features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT utilizes AMD's Radeon architecture, which is known for its strong performance in gaming and content creation. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti is built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, offering advanced features such as DLSS 4 and enhanced ray tracing capabilities. This architectural difference can significantly impact performance in various gaming scenarios, making it an essential factor to consider. When it comes to memory, the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT features 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, which provides ample capacity for demanding games. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti boasts 16 GB of faster GDDR7 memory, which can enhance performance in memory-intensive applications. The difference in memory type can influence overall performance, especially in high-resolution gaming. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT is priced at $849.99, making it a slightly more affordable option compared to the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti, which retails for $909.99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for the best value for your budget. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti offer impressive performance for gamers and content creators. The choice between them will largely depend on your specific needs, budget, and preference for AMD or NVIDIA technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.